welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad that you're here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. We're doing a tour of fall palettes because it is fall and I'm excited about it, and I'm bringing out an older Glam Lite palette, the Dirty Martini. Yes, it's going to have some olive tones and some beautiful shimmers, and I am wearing a beautiful new fall t-shirt, hoodie, and I love it. It talks about David Bowie and the spiders from Mars. Woo! But look at this palette. It is gorgeous. It's fucking gorgeous. And it's begging to have something done with it. So let's do it to it. Let's get some brushes and start putting makeup on my eyes because this is a hooded eye tutorial. Hooray! I know I haven't done a video since last week, but forgive me. I'm just not buying my makeup like I used to. So here I am bringing you the best of my fall palettes and starting with this one here. And I'm going to start with, the shimmers in here are just to die for. But I'm going to put a little bit of Dirty Martini in my crease. Look how pigmented that is. I'm just going light with it. And it instantly makes my eyes pop green. Green makes your green eyes green. They look kind of green-gray right now, which is cool. This is not like if I was designing this palette, I would have thrown in some neutral lighter colors. I mean, these sparkly shimmers are just to die for, but I would have gone a little bit, some nice neutral like crease color. That's what I would do differently. But look at that green, it's amazing. So now I'm going to go into, so hard to tell what I should go into next because so many greens and shimmers. But I'm going to have to do a bunch of shimmer because I live for shimmers and glitter. So I'm going to go into just a splash with my finger. I'm going to put that on the corner and on the base of the lid. That is beautiful. It's got a beautiful shift to it. It's a coppery with a green shift. Looks like I've got like some shiny pennies on my eyes. Little shiny copper pennies. Oh, so beautiful. Let's get a brush in here. And let's go to the outside corner here and dive in with Olive Lover down here at the bottom. And I'm putting it in towards the crease and on the outside corner. I'm definitely gonna have to blend this out because it is hella pigmented. Am I going to be able to come away from this unscathed? It looks pretty wild. Blending brush, I love you, Luxie. Blending brush. I'm just softening everything up. It looks really pretty. Just softening it all up. Wow, that looks really cool. Now I'm going to go into some waterproof eyeliner from Stila Slay All Day. And I'm going to do a little wing. I love black eyeliner. That looks super cute. Looks nice. Now some mascara, some It Superhero mascara. I like my little mini size better than the full size, which is crazy. Sometimes the brushes are better. I don't know. Sometimes it's just a little different. But next week I will be doing lash lifts with me and my friend. We're going to lift each other's lashes. We're going to perm them and then tint them for some fun lashes. Instead of spending like, you know, like $100 getting your lashes tinted and lifted, I bought a kit off of Amazon. I'll try to see if I can't get some footage of it, but we would really need a third person to probably do that. My lashes are getting super long with this Superhero mascara. And I'm going to have to do a nice deep wine color lip to go with this shirt. And I have this Pat McGrath Nocturnal Armor that I haven't used. And it is deep, but I don't know how long it lasts. And I know my Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink will last all night long. So I'm going to do that because I'm going to a little birthday party. Birthday party cheesecake, boom. So it's Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And this is his number 50 Voyager, which is one of my all-time favorite colors. That looks great. I'm going to blot. And I look ready to party. So I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. And this is the Dirty Martini palette from Glam Lite. Have a great day or day of your choice.